When I press this button and in 1 second, my front opens.
Ooh.
While I'm still watching my movie.
Many people say that Teslas are computers on wheels. Today, I'm here with Joseph to learn more about sexy buttons and how this accessory can improve your Tesla ownership experience. Click subscribe to stay updated to more videos on Tesla. Joseph, tell us more about yourself.
First of all, thanks for having me, Daren. So I'm a Tesla Model 3 owner for 2 years already. And also, we have this company that is also the distributor for Enhanced Sexy Buttons, which is meant for Tesla. And we also do a little bit of Tesla mods. So if you're interested, you can join our Telegram group, Tesla Mod SG. And for more information, you can check out this video today.
So let's head inside Joseph's Model 3 and learn more about sexy buttons.
Joseph, what are sexy buttons?
Sexy Buttons is actually invented in Bulgaria by a bunch of Tesla enthusiasts, and they are also engineers. So obviously, Tesla buttons are actually buttons that allow you to summon quick functions. So say, for example, where I put the buttons, can you guess where I put it? Just right here. You see behind the swivel. Because I want to be a minimalist, I don't want them to show when I'm driving, so I hid them behind.
So to me, these are like computer keyboard macro shortcuts.
Exactly.
Yeah? To a layman.
Exactly.
So there are two buttons on this side of the screen, one here and one here. What do they do?
Guess what they do? Because this is for my wife to use, right? So number one, this button, when I press this, the glove box will open.
So there you go.
Yeah.
Easy.
That's right. And guess the next button is called the wife's voice command button right here. Because why? When you're driving, we have a voice command button here, but when I'm driving, I don't want them to hinder, my wife to kacau me, right, literally. So I have this dedicated button for her to control the entire car. So let me try this button. 我想聽士多啤梨蘋果陳. I just said Cantonese. And Tesla, they actually can pick up Cantonese.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool. That's two buttons.
Exactly.
Tell us about the other two.
So the other two buttons, obviously I would have hit it here as well. So in the front view, I don't see it, it's behind. When you're watching, say, a Netflix in full screen. Okay, let's assume you're watching. And then somebody tells you to retrieve something from the front. How do you do this without exiting or shrinking your screen? You can't. So, but what I can do here is this button. When I press this button and in 1 second, my front opens.
Ooh.
While I'm still watching my movie. And if I want to shrink it, I just press this button again, right? Sorry, I'm close it so that the front closes.
So that's an auto frunk, a very popular
right.
mod. You want to learn more about that? You can speak to Joseph.
Yeah. There's one last function. We forgot the fourth button. Until today, we still are picking up people who have not sit in a Tesla before. Either they don't know how to open the door, or if they're in the car already. I have the auto door present handles, they can pull and they can open. But when they're exiting the car, they don't know which button to press. Actually, there's only one button, isn't that right? This button.
Here.
Correct. But I have another button here, which mimics the same function. So when they want to exit, I press this button. And the door opens by itself. Then you just push the door.
That's it.
Yeah. So like how I open the door.
Don't need to press this button, just close. So those are four cool functions that you can do with sexy buttons, and you can program them to do a lot more. Can you walk us through how to program these buttons?
Sure. So you can see S3XY. In fact, we can put up to like 8 buttons if we want to. So these 4 buttons are here. I have more buttons hidden inside the car. I'll tell you later if you want to know. So here, if you want to change the voice command to another function, I click on this, then I can choose. So by the way, one button, I can have 2 functions. Say, for example, if I want to do this, a double press can summon the second function. If not, the long press can summon the second function as well. I can choose either one. So say, for example, if I scroll all the way to the left, open, right? So we have open glove box, trunk, front, left door, right door, like how I would have opened your door for you just now. Acceleration when you're on the drive. One button, you can toggle between the chill and sports mode.
What I'm seeing is that there's so many ways to customize the sexy buttons for your Tesla.
It's not just about the buttons, it's about the quick actions. I actually use the quick actions on an everyday basis more than I use the sexy buttons. Can I show you the quick actions?
Let's do that.
Yeah. So Daren, right now we are at the SP charger, right? It's how you start charging is you take out your phone, you scan the QR code, and you start charging. And then when you want to stop the charging, you have to do the same thing. But sometimes network could be unstable. But anyway, I just wanted to show you here. You want to see this part? Now it's charging, isn't that right?
That's right.
If I want to terminate the charge, and we still pay SP, yeah? What I do is I click on my door handle, quick action. In 3, 2, 1, what happens is now I can unplug already. The charging already stopped. So I can just put this thing back. That's it. And then I can go back to my door and then we can go. You see how much time I saved?
That's really cool. So how do you program a quick action?
So here on the Sexy Button app, we click on Commander Settings, Door Handles. So door handles, I can actually control a specific handle to do some stuff. For example, like the rear left handle, it's to open or unlock the charge port. And on my right front handle, it's actually to open my front. Why do I make use of this? Can I show you in front? So imagine you're carrying a bunch of stuffs, right? And then you're walking through the door, but you want to make use of the front. You don't want to open your door, and then you climb all the way in, touch your screen, right? So the best way to open your front, let's say my hands are just like I'm holding a lot of stuffs. So what I do is I hold on to the handle, and in 3, 2, 1, pop, it opens. And if I'm lazy, I could just throw the things into the front. And if I want to close it before I go into my car, I hold on to this handle again, and in 3 seconds, it closes by itself. Then I bought my car. So these are quick functions.
That's very cool. Didn't know Sexy Buttons could do that with the door handles.
A lot of people doesn't know this function. When I zoom out, this becomes a speedo dashboard meter, which I can put it here, right here. So this actually shows me when I'm engaging in the reverse mode and all that. For example, park mode, drive mode, it will show me. Can you see the mode change?
Yeah.
And under here, settings, when I turn it on, I can actually see the stats of my car. So for example, battery capacity. I've driven a car for 2 years. I've not checked this in a while. My degradation is about some 6.7%. It's normal. It's normal. So it can't be as good as day one because it's about 2 years old already. So I make use of this to check my inner temperatures, my 12-volt battery, and also my main battery condition. So this sums up pretty much well about the inboard Tesla Sexy Buttons. Yep.
Very cool. We've learned a lot about Sexy Buttons. Now let's drive to a brighter spot, and Joseph's going to show us how to install Sexy Buttons in just under 2 minutes. See you all soon.
Hey Daren, so I'm going to show you how to install this. This is the Sexy Buttons box. So when you open it, I'm going to unbox it. This is the 2-button set. You can buy it in 2, 4, or 6. So when you open it up, there is this dongle. There's this plastic too. So I'm going to show you how to install it. If you're a guy you like to DIY, you can do it yourself. If you're a lady or you don't want so much trouble, you can go to a mechanic to do it. But I'm going to show you how to do it. So there's this plastic clip. Just open this thing up, like opening Durian like this, then done ready. You see this part? We just need to disconnect this part. And Sexy Buttons already provide this extension. So what you do, literally, you just need to plug this extension in. And the other part connect back to the car. Like this. Okay, and then we have the Sexy Buttons Commander. Then we just plug it in, just like that. And then we cover this casing. Oh well, of course, then the Sexy Button Commander is going to be outside, just like that.
Joseph, thank you so much for giving us an overview of Sexy Buttons, how to customize it, and how to install it in our Teslas. Many owners may be wondering, how does it impact our Tesla warranty?
Okay, so for the Sexy Buttons, the only thing that probably may void the warranty is the 12-volt or the 16-volt battery. But just remember, when you are going back to Tesla service center, just unplug everything lah. That's what I suggest. But if you think that it will void the entire car warranty, I don't think so. Because the only thing that we tap on is really that small battery in front. That's it.
Thanks for sharing. So far in your customers' years of using this, have there been any major concerns or problems to look out for?
The only thing that probably most important is when Tesla have major updates, they may change the underlying software. So then, for a sexy buttons, for example, the commander, you have to then OTA update it so that it will have the corresponding updated firmware to be used properly.
Got it. So just update it in the app like what Joseph shared with us earlier. Now, if you want to learn more about sexy buttons, come check out Sexy Buttons at TeslaCon Singapore. You're one of our sponsors. You'll see Joseph there. You may see one of his vehicles there. And there'll be a very special Sexy Buttons device coming out.
That's
Can you
right.
Give us a preview, please.
Yes, it will be this sexy knob that Daren would have first seen it in the Tesla takeover in California. It's this lovely small little knob whereby you can control the volume. So check it out at the TeslaCon SG on 11/11.
So it's the first time in
Yes.
Asia Pacific you get to see the sexy knob at TeslaCon. You can buy your tickets right now at TeslaConSG.com.
Yeah.
We'll see you there.